Follow these steps to use Reddit for website SEO. Reddit can be a powerful SEO tool if you use correctly. Find the right subreddits. Identify subreddits where your target audience hangs out. Use SEO if you're in digital marketing. Use entrepreneur or small business if you are connected to business-related content. Likewise, web design and technology if you write about tech and web trends. Niche-specific subreddits. Use Find a Reddit to locate relevant communities. Next up, create high-quality content. Share valuable insights in posts and comments. Write engaging, helpful posts that naturally mention your website. Use Reddit text posts with a link inside rather than direct link post. For example, instead of posting "check out my blog and SEO," write "I tried 5 SEO hacks. Here's what worked." Engage and build authority. Answer questions in relevant subreddits. Start discussions around trending topic. Vote and comment on related posts. Build a presence before promoting anything. The more you are active, the more credibility you gain. Use Reddit for keyword research. Reddit is great for finding trending topics and long-tail keywords. Search your niche in Reddit and see what questions people ask. Use tools like Google Site Search, site.reddit.com, best SEO tools to find popular discussions. Write content around Reddit discussions. These can boost your Google rankings. Drive traffic with AMA and case studies. Host an AMA in your niche subreddit. Example, I grew a website from 0 to 1000k visitors. I ranked number 1 for a tough keyword. Here's how. So this is how you can use Reddit for website SEO. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.